A few years ago, though, a young man named Damien, a 12th grade student at a school in Chula Vista, California, near where I live, reframed the problem in a way that I've never forgotten. It's not that school is boring, he told me. It's that school is fake. I knew instantly what he meant, which was that he experienced academic learning as being arbitrary and contrived, an elaborate artifice with few real connections to his lived experiences, his community, or his sense of self. And the more I thought about it, the more I realized that Damien's comment provides a lens into the project to which I've devoted my career, which is the project of transforming schools into more humanizing and vital spaces to teach and learn. Characterizing school as fake rather than just as boring captures the fact that classroom learning is often essentially inauthentic. It involves practicing skills out of context, learning about things at a distance, trying to make sense of the world without the embodied and social emotional dimensions that come along with direct experience.